Welcome to this spectacular property in Covington, Lewisville, a corner lot home with elegant design and timeless brick and stone details. Upon entering, we find an area currently set up as a dining room, just before reaching the great room. The two-story great room offers a stone fireplace and large windows that fill the space with natural light. The chef's kitchen features stainless steel appliances, a prep island, and a bar area, perfect for gatherings. On this level, you'll also find the primary suite with a spa-style bath and a custom-designed closet. From the dining area, a door leads to the screened porch and the brand new Trex deck, ideal for enjoying the outdoors. Upstairs, an open view lets you appreciate the great room and fireplace from a different angle. The first bedroom includes shelving, 2 windows, a private bathroom, and a closet. The second bedroom offers a cozy space with a window overlooking the rear roofline, plus storage space. The third bedroom, a bonus room, stands out with its angled ceiling and views of the front of the home. This level also includes a full bathroom with a shower. The fourth bedroom has 2 windows, a closet, and direct attic access via pull-down stairs. Back on the main level, stairs lead down to the lower floor. Here, we find a large, bright area with direct access to the backyard. This level also features a full bathroom with a shower. A space set up as a home theater offers comfortable seating and the perfect setup for movie nights. From the lower level, a door takes you directly to the spacious backyard. Finally, the property includes a garage with direct access to the interior of the home. If you're looking for a spacious home with multiple living areas and truly move-in ready, this is your opportunity. Schedule your private tour and discover everything this Covington property has to offer.